Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Firstly, we will see what is aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are those chemical compounds that contain one or more rings with pi electron delocalized all the way around them. Compound that exhibits aromaticity. Aliphatic compounds lack this delocalization. Then what do you mean by pi electrons? Pi electrons and electrons which resides in the pi bonds of a double bond or triple bond is called pi electrons. Pi electrons. Benzene is a aromatic hydrocarbon and benzene is important solvent for the preparation of some of the chemical solutions. Then coming to the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction in which the functional group like NO2, SO3, these are the some of the substitution group. The chemical reaction in which the functional group attached to a compound is replaced by electrophile. This displacement functional group is typically a hydrogen atom. In aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, some of the reactions will be there like nitration, halogenation and sulfonation. In this today class, we will discuss on these three reactions one by one. Today we are going to discuss first nitration. In nitration reaction, benzene is treated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid brings the nitrobenzene as the product. This is the reaction of nitrobenzene. There are three steps in the electrophilic substitution reaction. First step is generation of an electrophile. Second step is the formation of carbocation. And third step is the removal of a proton from intermediate. First step is generation of an electrophile. Second step is the formation of a carbocation. Third step is the removal of a proton from intermediate. These are the three steps involved in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Coming to the nitration mechanism, here in the first step, the generation of an electrophile will be formed by removing one hydrogen in the sulfuric acid to give the nitric acid it forms the electrophile. Then second step is the formation of carbocation. In second step, carbocation is separated from the nitric acid. It forms the carbocation radical. Then third step is the removal of a proton from intermediate. In third step, first benzene ring with nitrocation. The nitrocation attaches the benzene carbon atom. Then the cation will be formed in nitration. Three resonance structure will form. First one, the carbocation formed in the ortho position of the benzene. In second one, the cation is formed in the meta position of the benzene. And third resonance structure, cation is formed in the ortho position of the benzene. After that, the third step of electrophilic substitution reaction is the removal of a proton from intermediate will takes place. Here one hydrogen is removed from the benzene ring to H2SO4. It will H2SO4 get stabilized. Then the benzene with NO2 is nitro group is remained. It formed. This is called nitrobenzene and H2SO4 is the byproduct. So this is about nitrification reaction. The second one reaction is halogenation. What is meant by halogens? In the periodic table, group 17 containing chemical elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine. Tennessine are artificially created halogen. These 6 chemical elements are called halogens: fluorine, chloride, bromine, iodine, astatine and tennessine. These are the halogen groups. Halogenation is a chemical reaction that involves the reaction of a compound with halogen and results in the halogen being added to the compound. This is called halogenation. Halogenation is a chemical reaction that involves the reaction of a compound with a halogen and results in a halogen being added to the compound. Halogenation is carried out in the presence of some catalyst like FeCl3 or AlBr3. These are the some catalysts used in the halogenation reaction. In halogenation reaction, benzene reacts with chlorine or bromine in the presence of catalyst. In the presence of a catalyst, replacing the one of the hydrogen atom on the ring by chlorine or bromine. This is called halogenation reaction. Once again I will tell you, halogenation reaction is benzene reacts with chlorine or bromine in the presence of a catalyst, replaces one of the halogen atom on the ring by a chlorine or bromine atom. This is called halogenation reaction. So coming to the mechanism, first step is activation of Lewis acid or catalyst. In this, FeBr3 plus Br2 is get attached to iron atom and form the cation and anion. So we know the electrophilic substitution reactions go in 3 steps. First one is the generation of an electrophile. So here the generation of electrophile is formed. Coming to the second step, the formation of carbocation. Here, attack of electrophile by a benzene ring. In first step, electrophile is formed, then it go and attach to the benzene ring. So it form the carbocation. Carbocation formation is also called intermediate step. So coming to the third step, the removal of a proton from intermediate. Here deprotonation. Removal of hydrogen is also called, proton is called deprotonation. So here removal of one hydrogen from benzene and hydrogen is attached to iron atom. The benzene ring with Br is called halogen, and HBr byproduct plus FeBr3 catalyst is remained. This is about mechanism of halogenation. Third one is sulfonation. Due to higher electronegativity oxygen present in the sulfuric acid pulls an electron towards itself, generate an electrophile. This attaches the benzene ring, leading to the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. This is sulfonation reaction. Once again I will tell you, sulfonation reaction is the higher electronegative oxygen present in the sulfuric acid pulls the electron towards itself and generates the electrophile. This attaches the benzene ring, leading to the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. Here the mechanism of sulfonation. In the first step, we know the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in 3 steps. One is generation of electrophile, second one is formation of cation, and third one is removal of proton. But here the sulfonation reaction is one extra step, addition of a proton. So the sulfonation reaction is reversible reaction. So first I will tell you the 3 steps. electrophile formation, carbocation formation, and removal of hydrogen. Then after that I will tell you why we call sulfonation reaction is reversible. Here in the first step of sulfonation, generation of electrophile is, that is SO3, is formed in presence of 2 sulfuric acid to form electrophile SO3 and H3O. In second step, electrophile attaches the benzene ring to give intermediate cation. Benzene ring is treated with SO3 electrophile. In slow step, it forms carbocation. After the carbocation formation, the removal of proton from the intermediate to form the product. So by removing hydrogen in the benzene ring to give SO3, benzene with SO3, this is called benzene sulfonic acid, and one sulfuric acid is remained. This is about sulfonation reaction. Then coming to the sulfonation reaction is called reversible reaction. Due to the process is reversible reaction that produces sulfonic benzosulfonic acid by adding sulfur trioxide and fuming sulfuric acid. The reaction is reversed by adding hot aqueous acid to benzene sulfonic acid to produce benzene. So, hot aqueous acid to benzene sulfonic acid to produce benzene. That's why sulfonation reaction is called reversible. So today class we discussed about nitration of reaction, like first electrophile formation, second cation formation, and third one removal of hydrogen. In bromination or halogenation, first we used catalyst, formation of electrophile and formation of carbocation and removal of hydrogen. Third one reaction we discussed, sulfonation, formation of electrophile, formation of carbocation and removal of hydrogen. This is about electrophilic substitution reaction. I hope all you understood the electrophilic substitution reaction of these three: nitration, halogenation and sulfonation. If you have any doubts, please mail me. Thank you everyone.